Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. Let's get started. Our morning work page is Unit 5, Week 5, Day 1. Directions say edit and write each sentence correctly, circle each subject pronoun, and underline each object pronoun. Number 1, his rough and tough dad got physical. Fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Number 2, the loud phone scared he. Same thing, fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Pause your video, do numbers 1 and number 2. Daily math review, no explanation needed there. Pause your video, do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 6, Cohen has 17 more video games than Carter. Cohen has 63 video games. How many video games does Carter have? So this number here, 63, represents how many Cohen has. Get my pen to work. Okay. This number 17 is 17 more. Cohen has 17 more. Cohen has 17 more than Carter, but we don't know how many Carter has. So to figure out how many Carter has, we have to find the difference between 63 and 17. So here's the minus sign to help us find the difference between 63 and 17 will tell us how many video games Carter has. So pause your video and do number 6. Number 7, this is a picture graph, and it's showing the favorite ice cream flavors of students in room 4. So students like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and lemon. Each one of these ice cream cones means that 2 students like that flavor. So chocolate, we have 2, 4, 6. So each student, the 6 students voted for chocolate. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 students voted for vanilla. So how many students like vanilla and lemon ice cream? So that's what you need to figure out. You're going to use these blanks to figure out how many students like vanilla and lemon ice cream. Pause your video and do number 7. Number 8, Mrs. Duggar painted 3 feet of the border along the wall. Then she painted the rest. Now there's 12 feet of border. How many feet of border did she paint onto the first 3 feet? So that's what you need to figure out, right? We know she painted 3 feet, and then she painted some more, and now there's 12. So we need to find the difference between 12 and 3 using this down here to figure out the missing number. Pause your video and do number 8. And number 9, how many $5 bills equals 120? And how many $10 bills equals one $20 bill? Pause your video and do number 9. And then let's start checking from the top. His rough and tough dad got physical. So his gets a capital because it's the beginning of a sentence. Rough is R-O-U-G-H. It was a spelling word last week. Tough is T-O-U-G-H, spelling word from last week. Dad got physical, period. So that looks good. So I'm going to rewrite it nice and neat on the line. All right, we got it looking good. We'll come back and do the pronouns after we do number 2. The loud phone scared he. The loud phone, P-H-O-N-E, spelling word from last week. Scared, and we don't say he, we use the pronoun him because it's after the action. The loud phone scared him. Then we're going to rewrite it nice and neat on the line. And now we can go back for pronouns. So the first one, we got a subject pronoun. There's no object pronoun. And then the loud phone is the subject. Scared him. Him is the object pronoun. And we'll move down to the daily math review. 10 minus 6 is 4. 12 minus 6 is 4. 16 minus, or wait, 12 minus 6 is 6, not 4. Because 6 plus 6 equals 12. 16 minus 6 is 10. 14 minus 6 is 8. 13 minus 6 is 7. Alright, so this one we're finding the difference between 63 and 17 to figure out how many games Carter has. So I'm going to rewrite this off to the side, as you should too. We're going to have to regroup. 5, and then this becomes 13. So it's going to be 6, 4. So Carter has 46 video games. So then we put a 46 up here. And then go to number 7. How many students like vanilla and lemon? So vanilla, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, because each ice cream stands for 2 students' votes, plus 2, 4. So that means 14 students like vanilla and lemon. Number 8, this one about Mrs. Duggar. So we know she painted 3 feet, and she ended up with 12 because she painted the rest. So we got to figure out the difference between 12 and 3 to figure out how much more she painted. Okay, and so then we're just going to solve this one. 12 minus 3 equals 9, because we don't need to rewrite that. So that means she painted 9 feet of border. 4 $5 bills equal 120, right? 5, 10, 15, 20. And then 2 $10 bills equal 120, 10, 20. And with that, we are all done with our morning work. Good luck on your next assignment.